Hey there, English learners.
Welcome to Shai's Fluency Studio.
I'm Shai.
And I'm Emil.
This is your safe space to learn English.
No stress, no pressure, just real conversations.
We keep it simple and fun.
Let's get fluent together.
So, Emil, today we're talking about daily routines.
Yes, daily routine means the things you do every day.
Exactly, like waking up, eating breakfast, or going to work.
Brushing your teeth, taking a shower.
Perfect examples. So, Emil, tell me, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Oh, that's early.
Yeah, I like mornings. They're quiet. What about you, Shai?
I wake up at 7 o'clock, sometimes 7:15.
Nice. So, listeners, let's learn this. I wake up at, and then you say the time.
Good point, Emil. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great. Now, after you wake up, what do you do, Shai?
Well, first, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. That means you leave your bed.
Yes. Then I go to the bathroom.
Me too. I brush my teeth first.
Oh, same. Brushing teeth is important.
Very important. Let's teach this phrase. I brush my teeth.
Say it slowly, listeners. I brush my teeth.
Good. So, Shai, do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning. It wakes me up.
I take a shower at night, before bed.
Oh, interesting. Everyone is different. That's okay. Now, after my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Right. I choose my clothes and I get dressed.
Same here. I usually wear comfortable clothes.
Me too. Comfortable is important.
So, Shai, breakfast time. What do you eat?
Ooh, I love breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs.
Yum. I drink coffee and eat oatmeal.
Oatmeal is healthy. Do you make breakfast yourself?
Yes, I make breakfast every morning. What about you?
Same. I make my own breakfast too.
Listeners, remember, I eat and then the food. I drink and then the drink.
Great teaching, Emil. So, for example, I eat cereal. I drink orange juice. Now, Emil, what time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Where do you go?
I go to work. I'm a teacher, remember?
Of course. Me too. I leave home at 8:30.
How do you go to work, Shai?
I drive my car. What about you?
I take the bus. It's relaxing. I can read on the bus.
That's nice. So, listeners, you can say, I drive my car, I take the bus, I take the train, or I walk.
Yes, many ways to travel.
Okay, so now we're at work. Emil, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Me too. And what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock. That's 5 p.m.
Ah, same. So we work from 9 to 5.
Yes, 8 hours.
During work, I teach English classes.
Me too. And I check emails.
Oh yes, emails. I check emails too. And I have meetings sometimes.
Meetings can be long.
True. Now, Emil, do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Noon.
Noon means 12 p.m., right in the middle of the day.
Exactly. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually bring lunch from home, maybe a sandwich or salad.
Smart. I sometimes buy lunch at a restaurant.
That's nice too. So listeners, you can say, I bring lunch from home, or I buy lunch. Okay, so now it's 5 p.m. Work is finished.
Time to go home.
Yes. I leave work and drive home.
I take the bus home. It takes about 30 minutes.
For me, it takes 20 minutes by car.
So, what do you do when you get home, Shai?
First, I change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, me too. Work clothes are not always comfortable.
Exactly. Then I relax a little bit.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or I listen to music. What about you?
I read a book. I love reading.
That's so nice, Emil. Reading is great for learning English, too.
True. Listeners, reading in English is a good practice.
Definitely. Okay, so now, dinner time.
Ah, yes. What time do you eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Me too. Around 7 or 7:30.
What do you eat for dinner, Emil?
It depends. Sometimes I cook pasta, sometimes I make chicken and rice.
Yum! I like cooking too. Sometimes I make soup or salad.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I order food.
Oh, like pizza or Japanese food?
Exactly. It's easy.
So, listeners, you can say, I cook dinner or I order food.
Great! After dinner, Emil, what do you do?
I wash the dishes.
The dishes. Not fun, but necessary.
True. Do you wash dishes too?
Yes, I wash the dishes after dinner.
That's good. I also spend time with family or friends.
That's nice. I sometimes call my family on the phone.
Phone calls are good for staying connected.
Yes. Okay, so now it's getting late.
Evening time.
What do you do before bed, Emil?
Well, I take a shower, remember?
Oh, yes, you shower at night.
Yes. Then I brush my teeth again.
Me too. Brush teeth in the morning and at night.
Very important. Then I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas. The clothes you wear for sleeping.
Right. What do you do before bed, Shai?
I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and then I read for 15 minutes.
Reading before bed is nice. It's relaxing.
Yes, sometimes I scroll on my phone too.
Ah, yes. Many people do that.
But not too much. It's better to rest your eyes.
Good advice. So, what time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 or 11 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I like sleeping early.
That's healthy, Emil.
Thank you. So, listeners, remember, I go to bed at and the time.
Perfect. So that's our daily routine.
From morning to night.
Let's review quickly. In the morning, wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast.
Then, leave home, go to work, start work, eat lunch.
Afternoon, finish work, go home, relax, eat dinner.
Evening, wash dishes, spend time with family, brush teeth, go to bed.
Excellent review, Emil.
Now, listeners, think about your daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
How do you go to work or school?
What do you do before bed?
Practice saying your routine in English.
Start simple. Use the phrases we taught today.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Thank you for watching today's episode.
And keep practicing every day.
Remember, this is your safe space to learn English.
No stress, no pressure.
Just practice and progress.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.